Whenever you drag your smoke and you cough, which is the smoke choke you for throat, no be because of say the weed too strong like many of una believe. Mba. Number one, na because of say the weed too dry. Number two, na because of say the chemical wey dem take preserve the weed e too harsh. Then number three, na because of say the hole wey dey inside your filter e too dey open, so you too drag the weed too much. Na wetin dey make you dey cough. So when next you cough after you drag smoke, no believe say na because of say the weed na original one or e strong well well na make you dey cough. Once again, the videos wey I dey make no be to encourage smokers. My name na Chima 90s and this song wey dey play for background